The sun is shining in the sky. I have a red apple. She is reading a book. He is drinking water. They are playing soccer. The cat is sleeping on the bed. We are going to the park. It is raining outside. I like ice cream. The dog is barking loudly. I am a student. She likes to dance. He eats apples. They go to school. We play games. It rains often. The cat sleeps. The sun is hot. You read books. I love my family. I am happy. She runs fast. He jumps high. They swim well. We laugh loudly. The bird sings sweetly. The tree grows tall. The car moves quickly. You speak clearly. I eat breakfast. I am reading a book right now. She is watching TV at the moment. He is playing soccer with his friends. They are studying for their exams. We are cooking dinner in the kitchen. The cat is sleeping on the couch. The dog is chasing its tail in the yard. It is raining outside. The children are playing in the park. My parents are working in the garden. I am typing on my computer. She's talking on the phone. He is listening to music. They are dancing in the living room. We are studying English grammar. The baby is crying in the crib. The chef is cooking in the kitchen. It is snowing outside. The students are writing in their notebooks. My sister is driving to work. I am eating lunch right now. She's reading a book at the moment. He is watching TV in the living room. They are playing video games together. We are having a conversation in English. The cat is chasing a mouse in the garden. The dog is barking loudly outside. It is getting dark outside. The children are laughing and playing in the playground. My mom is cooking dinner in the kitchen. I am writing sentences on the board. She is reading a book in the library. He is watching television in the living room. They are playing soccer in the park. We are studying English grammar right now. The cat is sleeping on the couch. The dog is barking loudly outside. It is raining heavily today. The children are singing songs in the classroom. My parents are cooking dinner in the kitchen. I will go to the store tomorrow. She will visit her grandmother next week. He will watch a movie tonight. They will have a party on Saturday. We will study for the exam this weekend. The sun will rise in the morning. Cats will sleep during the day. Birds will sing in the garden. I will read a book before bedtime. The earth will rotate around the sun. I will go to school tomorrow. She will visit her friend next weekend. He will watch a movie tonight. They will have pizza for dinner. We will study English grammar next month. The cat will sleep on the bed tonight. The dog will bark when someone knocks on the door. It will rain later in the day. The children will play in the park after school. My mom will cook dinner for us tonight. I will go to the beach next Sunday. She will visit her friend after school. He will watch a movie tonight. They will have pizza for dinner tomorrow. We will study for the test next week. The sun will shine brightly in the afternoon. Cats will sleep on the couch later. Birds will chirp in the morning. I will finish my homework before bedtime. The train will arrive at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. I will visit my grandparents next month. She will finish her homework after dinner. He will go to the gym tomorrow morning. They will have a picnic in the park on Saturday. We will watch a movie together this evening. The sun will set in the west. Cats will chase mice in the garden tomorrow. Birds will migrate south for the winter. The school will close for summer vacation next week. I will call you later.